100 0.1s become 0.1. Small, 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 small. Tiny, tiny.
So tiny. Tiny. Two. Tig.
Factors.
Factors.
200.
200.
Factors.
Factors. 21. 10 and a half. Factors. Boom. Pixies. That's astronomical power. 2 of them. Enormous. Colossal. Incredible. 115,000. Teeny.
Huge.
52. Keeps me the same.
Stays itself.
Mighty.
Me. Me. Me.
Me.
Me. Factors.
Factors. Factors. Nothing. 1168 huge. Grand 42 infinite. 42 infinite.
Bigger than anything, bigger than the Mandelbrot itself. Look into my eyes. Boom! 17,640. Nano tiny and below zero. Tiny. 999.
Ah! Fuck! Higher, faster, what a view! And now I'm big. 142's make 4,200. Big. 14 has everything. 0. Tougher than I look. Huge. Dinner. Huge. Huge and happy. Huge and happy. Huge and happy. Factors. Absolute infinity. That's what she said.
3.
Huge. That's a huge. Whoa.
Good as new. 420,000 and counting.
Huge. Huge. Factors.
Factors.
Factors. Whoa.
Product. Whoa! What the freaky hell?
Uh-oh. Seems you can't multiply by a nuke. Guess we're just pals, not products. Whoa! That's a big countdown. Still here.
Not products. Whoa! C4.
Guess we're just pals, not products.
Just pals, not products.
Whoa!
Guess we're just pals, not products.
Guess we're just pals, not products. Whoa, what a blast. We're just pals, not products. Whoa! Not products. Whoa! Not factors. Factors. 42! Factors.
Together.
Huge. Attacked! Huge and happy. It's not factors.
You know the rule. No mixing with minerals. You're grounded.
Sorry, 84. Incredible. For awesome.
Big, bright,
Brilliant.
times as many.
Incredible. 52 squared. Big. Factors. Factors.
Guess we're just friends, not factors.
Friends forever. Bull. Incredible. The answer is undefined. So remember, first. Factors.
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 Factors. You're out. Factors.
Factors. It's not factors and stays itself. Beyond.
Character to meet.
Bomb. And huge.
Colossal. Woo! Super colossal. Mega massive. One man kaboom.
And huge. Enormous and huge.
Ultimate. Bye. I guess when numbers team up with connectors, they can go on forever. Lesson learned. Math loves a good link. Smiles multiply. Numbers add the glow. Guess errors just make more error. Guess even cuteness isn't a number.
Guess that doesn't multiply. Lesson learned. Not every symbol's a number.
Guess style points don't count as digits. Lesson learned. Keep your math about numbers flipped.
Guess tunes don't multiply either. Some things are just for dancing, not for math.
Guess that doesn't multiply. Lesson learned. Not every symbol's a number.
Huh. Not a number after all. Guess some things just don't multiply.
Moral of the story, not every symbol's a number.
Guess moustaches don't count as numbers. Lesson learned. Not everything multiplies.
Error? Letters aren't numbers, I guess. Some things just don't multiply. Error? Guess that doesn't multiply. Moral of the story, not every symbol's a number.
Error. That math just hit the pause button. Moral of the story, not every symbol wants to be multiplied. The math got all knotted up. Moral of the story, some symbols are strictly for snack time, not times tables. Explosion of confusion. Moral of the story, some symbols are sunny side up, not multiplied up. The math just tried to board a flight and got lost at security. Lesson learned, some symbols are strictly carry on and cannot be multiplied. That soft sign is softer than numbers. Moral of the story, not every squiggly symbol wants to be multiplied.
Guess fruit flavors don't count as digits. Lesson learned, keep your math about numbers. Snacks stay separate. When you multiply by kindness, it multiplies right back. That just made error explode everywhere. Guess when you multiply with a bullet point, you only get more mistakes.
Total bummer. But hey,
Guess when you multiply by PP, you just get soaked in nonsense.
make sure you're subscribed to Ruby the Editor 2000.
Guess some vibes just won't crunch into numbers.
Pie stacked to the sky. Math never smelled this good.
Can't multiply by nothing. Lesson learned.
Good as new. 420 billion and counting. 420.
Keeps me the same.
Keeps me the same.
Keeps me the same. Looks like I can't multiply by Applejack. Guess we're just friends, not factors.
Looks like I can't multiply by Pinkie Pie. Guess we're just friends, not factors.
Looks like I can't multiply by Rarity. Guess we're just friends, not factors.
I'm getting tired of it. Please stop. Please now. How in the world is this copyright? I just want to stop crushing my own planet.
3.6. 84,840. 84,924. 85,008. Incredible! Incredible. Double the fun. -0. Cosmic FIFO fun.
882! 42 times stronger!
Feeling brilliant. That's 10 to the power of 420. An absolutely mind-boggling number that's...
Uh-oh, that's not behaving right. Whoa, it's infinite, endless, and amazing!
4.2 times 10 to the... Enormous, colossal... Fantastic. 42! Woohoo! Unbelievable! Big! Big! Bold! 9! 0! Forever! 42! High! Huge and happy! Huge and happy! Huge and happy!
Rest in pieces.
Love!
Small, yet endless. I'm 1 for
42! Pico tiny! Smaller than small! Tinier than...
Google Tiny. Tinier than tiny trees. Smaller than small Google.
42!
You can't be shrinking yourself to prank the others. That's not safe.
I just wanted to see how tiny I could get.
You're grounded. Into your little room until you can show your response.
Yes, but 1008 times omega gives 24,192. Taller than tall. 720.
You get the rainbows and huge. Boom, boom, bam, bam.
4.2 times 10 to the minus 12,000. Factors?
And factors.
Factors.
Not factors. Looks like I can't multiply by hamburger. Guess we're just friends, not factors. Big! Ah!
No! Cool!
485! 4,891,572. Oh!
4,850,054,545,018.
Total 2 quadrillion, 100 trillion. 4.2 times 10 to the minus 3.
And 2. Tiny beyond tiny. Tiny!
Oblivitiny.
So I'm 10 to the minus G tiny.
2,814. 18. Big, massive, and elemental. Huger. Omega. Huge. High five, little buddy. Tinier than tiny, stacked a million times tinier than a Yocto, and that's me.
1,800,002 zeros before 42. Tinier than tiny. Look at that! Now there are 100 of me.
And I'm the remainder. 2 21s make 42. We're a perfect pair. 21
Factors.
6 whole different ways to wiggle the world. Back to
42?
yet it still carries the minus sign.
Smaller than small and it's -2.
Looks like I can't multiply by I will not make the dirt. I show you can. Subscribe to Ruby the Editor too. We can still celebrate with a balloon. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Pop! Tastic! Confetti everywhere! Thanks for celebrating. Guess we're just friends, not bigger and brighter. 0.042. 42. Not factors.
Subscribe to Ruby the Editor. Like the video for Ruby the Editor 2000.
Leave a comment for Ruby the
Share Ruby the
Tap like, drop a comment, and hit subscribe for...
You can still tap it
And follow Ruby. You can still tap it and give Ruby a like.
You can still tap it and comment for Ruby. You can still tap it and share for Ruby.
Moral of the story, not every symbol's a number. 1,420.
keeps on going.
Guess we're just friends, not factors.
Merry Christmas.
Guess we're just friends, not factors.
Works for me.
Negative mega.
42.
42.
And up again. Brilliant. Base 42.
Big!
The 1,000.
Million. Quintillion.
Infinity.
20. Huge.
Huge.
0, the end of every little piece.
Now subtract 0.2 from that, and you get 7 mango chicken stars. 7 mango chicken stars.
And me!
Friends, not factors.
Factors?
Friends, not factors.
Not factors.
Not factors.
Not factors. Not factors.
It's not factors.
For 2. Sweet.
2 at the end. Millionths of a whole. Big! And while you're here, smash that subscribe button. Square!
Huge.
We'll stick to regular arithmetic next time.
We'll stick to regular arithmetic next time. We'll stick to regular arithmetic next time.
Guess words hate math as much as I do. Whatever, I still look fabulous. And while you're here, tap that subscribe button, darlings.
42. When 6 meets 7.
So many stripes. And when it's all mixed,
2 Ceylon zeros after it.
Yeah! 21. At your service. 10 and a half. Ready to help whenever you need a friend.
5 1/4. Ready to lend a hand. Tap that subscribe button, darlings.
There's 20 equal.
Please stand by.
67 is full of flavour.
I don't know my name.
15.22.
Oh, I'm melting. No. Dividing by 0 is undefined. It doesn't give a number at all, so we'll just keep 42 right. Say it loud.
Key of 1 minus 1 0 is 42.
1,062,882.
Bigger than big, and still growing. 42 divided by 2 equals 12. Big, 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 big.
Boy!
1,618. Yocto tiny.
Never ending.
Hit that follow to
A present is apparently not a number. Moral of the math, you can't. Some things just don't multiply.
Hello, 42.
Some multiplications make new friends. Error? That's not even an operator. Okay, different idea. 42 times percent.
Grounded. No gadgets for a week.
Yes, 84.
Moral of the story, not every symbol's a number. 1.
We're just friends, not factors.
First, something huge happens.
When you multiply forever, you reach something extraordinary. Infinity.
42.
Error? Guess that doesn't multiply. Lesson learned. Not every symbol's a number.